Good afternoon, everyone. Today, we are having this webinar on tackling domestic violence during the lockdown and the role of students. This webinar is being organized by the IQAC of Kirorimal College in collaboration with the Delhi State Legal Services Authority and Central District Legal Services Authority. We know that this is a very important issue that we are facing in the country today. And so we decided to host this webinar and welcome our guests from the Legal Services Authority. I would now request Dr. Pushpender to please introduce and welcome our guests. Dr. Pushpender.
Let us move towards positivity. I know we have a lot of apprehension and apprehensions about what will happen next. But we have very special problem that how to tackle domestic violence during lockdown time. So we had today a panel discussion, a kind of panel discussion where we have invited our expert. And this is an initiative by IQAC Kirorimal College and Central District Level Service Authority. And we have invited three guests today, Shri Gautam Manan, Member Secretary, Delhi State Legal Service Authority, Madam Namrita Agarwal, Additional Secretary, DSLSA, and Madam Niti Suri Mishra, Secretary, Central District Legal Service Authority. Before I request them to proceed, may I request Principal Madam to say a few words, because you have inspired us to organize this kind of short talk. Because it's a time when we all feel we are in crisis, but no, really we are not in crisis. It's because we have inspiration, we have motivation, our Principal Madam. May I request Principal Madam to say a few words?
Thank you very much, Dr. Pushpen. And right in the beginning, I must thank IQAC, Dr. Anshu, and the team of IQAC that has organized this very relevant topic. So thank you very much. I will not take much time because our time is limited, but I do want to welcome our members from CDLSA, Madam Nita Suri and Madam Namita Agarwal, and Mr. Kavanjit Arora. I'm not sure he is there.
I think Shri Gautam Manan is there.
Gautam Manan, Mr. Gautam Manan, very warm welcome to you. And this is something actually Dr. Pushpendra is right. We should try and be positive in all situations. But what we have been hearing, and I have read reports of UK, how during lockdown violence has gone up by 36%. And this was about 10 days back. I'm not sure we have any report here in India. We will come to know from our speakers who are knowledgeable about this area. And what I do feel is that we have to also recognize the stresses that individuals are under, the groups are under, families are under, and try and prevent what we can, and bring about a harmony if possible. I think that is the intention or the purpose that we have had in our minds, to identify the problem and find ways of resolving it. So I hope this will lead to something like that at least. So again, very warm welcome to all the participants, all staff members. Mr. Deepak Goyal is here, Dr. Pratibha, Sangeeta, and everybody else. So warm welcome, and let us start with the presentation. Thank you.
Thank you, Principal Madam. Now we should proceed further, and now I request a team member. Can we request Shri Gautam Manan, sir?
Yes, please, I'm here.
Okay, sir. Please continue.
Right. So I'll start by thanking the faculty members for organizing this program, especially Dr. Anshu who has been instrumental in organizing this program. I'd like to tell you that myself, with me are Madam Namrata and Niti, we all are working as judges in Delhi. And now we are on deputation with Delhi government, working for the free legal aid and assistance to the masses. Why we are here is and organizing this program is actually we have found that during lockdown the families who are supposed to be together during these difficult times are facing some kind of problems in adjusting with each other's habits, and this is causing, if not exactly the violence, but a little trauma, and the differences of opinion is really is testing humans and their behaviors in this difficult time. So we have already in place the Domestic Violence Act in India, which was enacted in somewhere in 2006, mandated to stop physical, mental, and financial violence against women. So we will discuss some, some sections, some relevant provisions that how the rights of a woman can be protected from domestic violence. And for this, I'm handing over the mic to Madam Namrata Agrawal, who is working as Additional Secretary with Delhi State Legal Service Authority, and she'll be taking you forward on this aspect. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody. So today we'll be discussing about the various provisions of Domestic Violence Act to understand what exactly is domestic violence and who is an aggrieved person under the Domestic Violence Act. Now, Section 2 defines domestic violence and the basically aggrieved person and the domestic relation. So who exactly is an aggrieved person under the Domestic Violence Act? It is any woman who is in a domestic relationship with the respondent and against whom an act of domestic violence has been conducted. So basically that person is an aggrieved person under the act. And what is a domestic relationship under this act? Any relationship wherein two persons are living together or were living together at any point of time in a shared household. And whether they are related by consanguinity, by marriage, by blood, or are living in a relationship which is like a relationship of marriage, or it is an adoption or a family member living together. So basically, domestic